Thinking of visiting your relatives in Malta, maybe a sibling, parent, or even your child who now lives there legally? It's a wonderful reason to travel, but you need the right Schengen short stay visa to do it. I'm Samson from Law and Visas, and here's how to apply the right way, step by step. Step 1. Know the visa type. You'll be applying for a Schengen Type C visa for visiting family or friends. This allows you to stay in Malta and travel across Schengen countries for up to 90 days in a 180-day period. Step 2. Get an invitation letter. Your relative must provide an official invitation letter. It should include their full name, address, and residency status, your name and relationship, the purpose and duration of your stay, confirmation that they will host you or cover your accommodation. It should be signed and ideally notarized or accompanied by a copy of their residence permit and passport or ID. Step 3. Prepare your own documents. You will need a valid passport with at least 3 months after your return date, completed visa application form, 2 recent passport photos, flight reservation, travel insurance with a minimum of 30,000 euros coverage, proof of financial means, your own or your host's, ties to your home country, work letter, proof of family or property, a cover letter explaining your travel plans. Step 4. Submit your application. Book your appointment with the Malta Embassy or Visa Application Center like VFS Global if you're applying from Nigeria or another non-EU country. Submit your documents, attend biometrics, and be ready to answer a few questions. Processing time is usually around 15 working days, but apply at least a month early to avoid delays. Bonus tip: even if your host is covering your expenses, it's always a good idea to include some proof of your own income or savings. It shows you're stable and intend to return. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerian families reunite across borders with complete, reliable visa support so your travel plans don't fall through. Still unsure about what your invitation should say or how to show strong ties? Drop a comment or send a message. I'll walk you through it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below, and hit the subscribe button for more real visa support, not sales talk.